I Love the Rain by Margaret Park Bridges, illustrated by Christine Davenier. I hate the rain. As I wait for the bus home, I huddle under my umbrella. But Sophie turns hers upside down. You're all wet, I say. What's so great about being dry? Look at that puddle, Molly. It's a face with raindrop freckles. I say. And see the shiny wet street? Doesn't it remind you of your best black party shoes? Maybe, I say. And the leaves floating down the gutter, they're little runaway roughs. I look real hard. Roughs for ants? I ask. Yes, ants riding the rapids, heading for a waterfall. Inside the bus, we watch raindrops race down the windows. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Boom, boom. What's that sound on the roof? Asks Sophie. Tap dancers, I jump in. A whole chorus line on stage above us. We tap our toes all the way to our stop. See how the rain makes the street steam, I say. Like plates of fresh hot pasta. Sophie licks her lips. What's for dessert? Sugar cookies, I say, with sprinkles. The raindrops fall on my face like confetti in a parade. We're the band leaders, Molly, and the crowd is cheering. We begin to sing, Sun, sun, go away. The rain feels like kisses from the sky. Sophie giggles. Or kisses from my mother, but not as slurpy as kisses from Rufus. Careful, girls, you're going to get all wet. What's so great about being dry? I say. I love the rain. Hi, if you like this video, please give this a like and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a new video.